Kalamazoo ground, Skyhawk 20089er at Delta, holding short of Foxtrot for taxi for runway 27.
Skyhawk 20089er, Kalamazoo ground, runway 27, taxi via Foxtrot, hold short runway 35.
27 via Foxtrot, holding short of 35, 20089er.
Skyhawk 089, cross runway 35 at Foxtrot.
Kalamazoo Tower, Skyhawk 20089er, holding short of 27 for VFR departure.
November 20089er, Zoo Tower. Fly runway heading, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, flying runway heading 20089er. Power set. Engine monitors green, airspeed's coming alive. Alright, power set, flash retracted. Engine monitors green.
Cessna 089er, contact departure.
Over to departure 089er.
Op 7, proceed via runway 23.
Kalamazoo departure, Skyhawk 20089er 2000 for 4000 on runway heading.
Skyhawk 20089er, Great Lakes departure, radar contact, I maintain VFR 4500, speed on course Michigan City.
4500 on course to Michigan City, 20089er.
Skyhawk 089er, send to maintain VFR 3500.
3500, 089er.
Skyhawk 089er, traffic to your 1 o'clock and 8 miles, a twin Cessna that I'm talking to, level at 4,000, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, change airport advisory frequency approved.
Looking for traffic and squawk VFR for 089er. Michigan City, Skyhawk 20089er 3 to the east, entering a 45 for left downwind for 20 Michigan City. One, two, three.
Fulton County traffic, Cherokee 69 Tango is turning on downwind for 29er, Fulton County.
RP mixture, gas, undercarriage, mixture prop.
South traffic, Warrior 43020, left downwind 27 south. Joliet traffic, Skyhawk 12657, holding over the VLI, southwest, 3,300, Joliet, 9, Fulton County.
Michigan City of a white Skyhawk, left downwind for 20 Michigan City.
Fulton County traffic, Skyhawk, Cherokee 69 Tango is turning left, final for 29 Fulton County.
Gas, undercarriage, mixture prop. Let's grab some more
Traffic
flaps.
time 403 Alpha Tango is 7 to the southwest. We'll be entering for left downwind for 274 south.
Michigan City of a White Skyhawk on final 20, Michigan City. Michigan City of White Skyhawk is clear of the active Michigan City.